Hey there, jungle explorers. Welcome to Curious Kids Academy. Today, we're swinging into the treetops to meet one of the slowest animals in the world. But guess what? Being slow is their superpower. Can you guess who it is? That's right, it's the sloth. You've seen them hanging upside down, moving slower than a snail on vacation. But have you ever wondered why they're so incredibly slow? It's not because they're lazy. It's actually a clever survival secret that's helped them thrive for millions of years. So get ready to have your mind blown by the amazing science and surprising facts behind the sloth's super slow, super smart lifestyle. Forget everything you know about sloths. That incredibly slow movement isn't a handicap. It's a superpower. In this video, we're diving deep into the surprising reasons behind their famously sluggish speed, uncovering the hidden advantages that make slow and steady a winning survival strategy for these incredible creatures. Let's swing right into their world. Get ready, because these sleepy tree huggers are full of surprises. Sloths live high up in the tropical rainforests of Central and South America. There are two main kinds, two-toed sloths and three-toed sloths. But here's a trick. All sloths have 3 toes on their back feet. The difference is in their hands. Two-toed sloths have 2 fingers and three-toed sloths have 3. Sloths may move slowly, but that's actually brilliant. By moving like slow-motion ninjas, predators like eagles and jaguars often don't even notice them. Camouflage and slowness help them survive. And guess what? Their favorite food is leaves. But here's the tricky part. Leaves don't give much energy and are super hard to digest. So, the sloth's body has a special plan. It digests food very slowly. Sometimes it takes days. And because of that slow digestion, a sloth only goes to the bathroom about once a week. Can you imagine that? Their body temperature is lower and more flexible than most mammals, which helps them save energy while they rest in the treetops. Sloths also have less muscle than most animals their size, but that's okay. They're not built for running or jumping. They're built for hanging and gripping. Their long claws are perfect for clinging to branches as they chill out upside down. Now look closely at their fur. It's not just hair, it's a whole mini jungle. Tiny algae, fungi, moths, and even beetles live there. The greenish algae helps camouflage the sloth, and the moths actually use sloth poop to lay their eggs. Yep, a whole ecosystem on their back. So, what's a sloth's week like? Mostly eating leaves, snoozing, and hanging upside down. But once a week, something very dramatic happens. It's potty time. A sloth slowly climbs all the way down to the forest floor just to poop. That's risky because jaguars and other predators are waiting. But sloths still make this dangerous trip every 7 days. Brave little slowpokes. Did you know most mammals, like us, have exactly 7 neck bones? But sloths break the rules. Some have more, some have fewer. That's why a 3-toed sloth can twist its head almost all the way around, nearly 270 degrees. And what about that cute smile? 3-toed sloths always look happy because of the shape of their faces. But don't be fooled. The smile doesn't mean they're telling jokes up there. And here's a surprise. Baby sloths make the sweetest little bleating sound, and sometimes female sloths scream loudly to find a mate. Yep, sloths can be pretty noisy when they want to be. Sloths have some unusual cousins, anteaters and armadillos. Together they belong to a special animal group called Xenarthra. But sloths are in trouble because people cut down rainforests, their only home. The good news is we can help. By protecting forests, learning about sloths, and sharing their story, we can keep these slow superheroes safe. So remember, sloths may be slow, but they're super in so many ways. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next fun video. See you next time.